Sir, I stand to oppose the budget over here, and may at the outset, please, I would like to reiterate, the 1% central excise duty that has been imposed on jewelry should be taken back immediately. If not, then this will lead to the destruction of a 2,000-year-old industry, sir. Sir, I would like to quote from what has been said by the Honourable Finance Minister when he spoke in the Haryana Investment Summit. He said, we must bear in mind that social challenges emerge, and one of the principal reasons they emerge is on account of inequalities between communities. Now, if I put this statement in front of me and see what he has done for the most backward community, and the reason I say this is because of empirical data which is available. The Honourable Finance Minister has stated this thing, that social challenges emerge because of inequalities. But when you see in his budget, he is perpetuating social inequalities. How is that? By decreasing the budget of pre-matric scholarship of minorities by 109 crores, by decreasing it by 30 crores, and the empirical data tells us that the MHRD ministry in 2014 had commissioned a survey of 640 districts, wherein it found that out of school children of Muslims are 25%, SCs and STs are 49%. The Kundu committee says that current attendance of Muslims as compared to other social religious communities is the lowest in the age of 6 and 14 and also in the age of 15 and 19. Children who have never attended between the age of 6 and 14 are again from the Muslim community. How is it that the finance minister has decreased the budget of pre-matric and post-matric? Sir, he has decreased the budget of scheme for providing education to madrasas and minorities to the tune of 256 crores. To the tune of 256 crores. I mean, this was budget was there to construct schools for minorities, to modernize madrasas, so the madrasas can get good teachers. You have decreased by 256 crores. Sir, he has not only done that, but he has also finished the scheme of improvement of state Waqf board. Last year there was 7 crores, not a single pie is there. May I request to you, to the government, that you allow the MP-led funds to be used for the development of Waqf board so that we can develop the Waqf properties and generate income. Sir, let me also point out priority sector lending. An RT application has come today in a national newspaper which has clearly told that 15% is the earmark for minorities, but only 2% Muslims are getting their share in priority sector lending. What is the government doing? Can the Honourable Finance Minister, when he replies, he is a very eloquent speaker, would you please enlighten us that has he taken a single meeting of priority sector lending wherein to ensure that within the 15% the share of Muslim increase in priority sector lending. Sir, this is the last year of 12 5-year plan. I'm concluding, sir. Last year of 12 5-year plan. What has been allocated for the Maulana Azad National Fellowship? Only 60% has been given. I don't blame this government. The equally Congress has to be taken the blame. NMDFC 62% allocation, MSDP 79.6%, and the multi-sector development plan. This year, the Honourable Finance Minister has decreased 126 crores. So how do you realize that 60 districts, 110 blocks, a development should come up? So that is why, sir, may I conclude by and also asking him that you talk about Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas. Why is the Finance Minister decreased the budget of AMU as compared to BHU? 120 crores less you have given to AMU as compared to BHU. Lastly, sir, an RT application has come out about the Ayush ministry. Is this the government policy to say that Muslims will never be given an employment opportunity in Ayush? Then RT application has come out. It is so shameful. Is this the policy of the government? If that is wrong, let the government take action against that officer. Let the government say that an RT application with stamped it is there. So I conclude by congratulating the finance minister for presenting a socialist budget which is against their ideology. Thank you, sir.